So I'm here again today. I had a tough time putting up the cover on the trailer. So I just crumbled it all up and put it in the back of the truck. And then I went ahead and put it out in the driveway in the garage and rolled it up best I can. So when I get up there, I can undo it all by myself. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good attempt. Watch how I put this cover on, step by step. My attempt of putting the cover on all the way around. Looks like the vents up on top are in the right place. Got the cover over the tire. And then the straps are all attached. The whole process of me putting this cover on was done by myself. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. So I'm in my garage and I'm trying to figure out this cover that we have for our RV. So I had a tough time trying to get this on, and it was a little bit too windy, and I just decided to bring it on home, and this is how it looks laid out in our garage. So that's the front right there. So what I want to do is right around there, be able to roll it that way, and then roll out the rest of this, and then be at the back end, and then flop the sides over. And we'll see how it works out and see how I can roll this up. This is the bag it comes with. So here's the cover. Top of the trailer, the front, and there's the bag. Okay, so the way I rolled this is that needs to go towards the front. Now I did one side like this. got the cover on. Now you got all the straps that you gotta hook up along the bottom. So there's 2 straps in the back, 2 in the front, but it might even be 3. So 2 back there, and then you just throw it underneath. There's 3 in the front, and then behind the wheels there's 2. So what you do is you adjust it. Clip it in, and then adjust it. And then tie this off. And then you go back to the next one and do the same thing. This one. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you! And then the same thing up in front. Well, there you go. I covered our trailer with one person, so it can be done. Please subscribe to see part 2 of me uncovering the trailer. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.